Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a Chromecast remote that's acting up in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether it's not responding or lost connection, this quick guide will get you reconnected in no time. It's a common issue, but don't worry, it's usually an easy fix that takes just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Check your remote's batteries. Open the battery compartment, remove the batteries, and put them back in. If they're old, swap them out for fresh ones. This step solves about half the problems, so it's worth trying right away. If that doesn't do the trick, it's time to reset the remote. Hold down the back button and the home button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. You'll see the LED light on the remote start flashing, which means it's ready to pair again. This resets any temporary glitches. Now, grab your phone and open the Google Home app. That's your best friend for Chromecast management. Go to the Devices section, select your Chromecast, and look for the Settings or Remote options. There should be a Reconnect or Pair New Device feature. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect the remote. It might ask you to press a button on the remote to confirm. Sometimes, interference can be the culprit. Make sure there are no obstacles between your remote and the Chromecast device, as it uses Bluetooth or infrared signals. Also, double-check that your Chromecast is updated to the latest software version through the app. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. If you're still stuck, try restarting your Chromecast by unplugging it for 10 seconds and plugging it back in. That often refreshes the connection. There you have it. Your Chromecast remote should be good as new. This process is straightforward and works for most 2025 models. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.